Incorporated. Our service fraternity and sorority by the delegated authority of the General Assembly, composed of active collegiate chapters and alumni associations, the National Executive Council and the Board of Directors, believe you to be true and loyal brothers and sisters, hereby grant unto you the recognition as an alumni association designated as Alpha Phi Omega Tel Aviv Israel Charter number 263, and be conducted and perpetuated according to our Code of Bylaws. By the aforesaid authority, all the rights, benefits, and privileges of being a charter was granted unto you, and all subsequent members accepted by the Alumni Association to the fullest extent. This alumni charter is hereby presented to the Alumni Association organizers,